Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make google.com your homepage in the Chrome web browser really quickly and without any advanced technical knowledge whatsoever. So let's get started. So there are basically two different ways how you can do that, guys. So as you can see, currently google.com is my very own homepage here on Chrome, and this is how you can do that for your Chrome browsers. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser and access your browser settings here at the bottom. And what you want to do, guys, is you either head over to the appearance section here on the left panel, and here where it says show home button, enable the home button and decide whether you'd like to get redirected to a new tab page when clicking on the home button here in the top left corner on Chrome, or to be redirected to google.com, for example, or any other version of Google, country version of Google whenever clicking on that home button. So select the lowermost option and type in the destination page, which in this case here would be, for example, www.google.com, that way. And that's one way. The other option, guys, would be to head over to the on startup section here in the left panel and to select which website you would like to get redirected automatically whenever you start or launch the Chrome web browser. So select here, open a specific page or set of pages, and there you go. As you can see, I added google.com. So if you haven't done that yet, simply click on add a new page and type in here the destination pages or sites URL, which in this case here would be again www.google.com or FR or UK or PLD, which, depending on which country version you would like to use for Google. Click on add here, and after that the given site will be added to your on startup pages. You may also click on these three dots here to the right and remove it if you don't like it anymore, or edit the destination pages URL. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.